मडगांव पालिकेचेर काँग्रेस आनी गोवा फॉरवर्ड युतीची सत्ता आशिल्ली, पूण गोवा फॉरवर्ड बीजेपी सरकारांत आशिल्ल्यान पालिकेच्या राजकारणांतली समीकरणां आतां बदल्ल्यात। पालिकेच्या नगरसेवकांक उपनगराध्यक्ष पदार नवो मनीस जाय। विजय आनी बीजेपीचो कॅम्प मेळून आतां दिगंबर कामतीच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक देंवयता।
We have decided to move a no confidence motion on the vice chairperson. Actually, it's come to know that the message has been gone to the vice chairperson from the resignation. She should resign from the vice chairman post. But till date, she has not resigned. But the no confidence motion is already signed by me and my councillors and given to my leader. Any moment, we will give that letter to the chief officer. And we will see that the vice chairman post will be vacant within a few days.
Who is the front runner from the...
See, our leader will decide who will be the next vice chairman of this council. We are bound with our party, we are bound with our leaders. The leaders will tell us what to do and we will decide the next course of action.
आता नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन घायलो हां वायस चेअरपर्सनाचेर, सो हांवें सुद्दां सायन मारलो हां। सो आतां गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी बीजेपी मन जालो हां, ते कारणान आमकां वायस चेअरपर्सन चेंज करपा पडटा। सो आनी हांगा कामां चडशीं खुबशीं उरतालीं। वायस चेअरपर्सन कित्याक आहा आपल्या वाड्यारूय सांबाळटाली, दुसरे वार्ड बी पळयनाशिल्ले, ताका लागून सगळे मंच करून आमी गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी बीजेपी मेळून आमी हेजेर नो कॉन्फिडन्स मोशन घायलो।
डोरीस विजयाक दुखोवंक सोदिना। आपल्याक राजकारणांत हाडल्या विजय सरदेसायन, ताका बरोबर दिसता ते जातले। तिका खंय तिचेर अविश्वास थाराव येवचो ना म्हूण अजूनय विश्वास।
Yeah, they are my leaders. I had met them because Digambar Kamath is the MLA of Margam and he is my leader. Vijay Sardesai is the MLA of Margam and he is my leader also. So it was that I had to go to meet them. I went to both of them, talked with them whatever is there and they will decide what is to be. Yuti Ahlali. But now at the state level it has been changed. So I cannot talk about this. It has been changed and we have to accept it that it has been changed. So whatever is the decision of both the MLAs, we have to accept it. 101% हांव कॉन्फिडंट आसा की म्हाजेर नो कॉन्फिडन्स केन्ना येवपाक शकना। Never will it come because my relationship with Minister TCP Minister Vijay Sardesai is from very long. It is not now only. I have been with him from last 25 years. He is my mentor. He has brought me into politics. Whatever as a person I am today in politics, people know me is because of Vijay Sardesai.
बुधवारा सकाळ मेरेन अविश्वास थाराव DMA मेरेन पावपाचो आशिल्लो, मात दनपार मेरेन तरी पावंक नाशिल्लो। काँग्रेसीच्या डोरिसाची खुर्चेची सुत्रां सध्या विजयाच्या कॅम्पाच्या हातांत। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।